Welcome to 581 Saddle Rock Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This is in the Windsor Oaks neighborhood, tucked away in a beautiful cul-de-sac. When you drive up, it has absolutely amazing curb appeal. And I'm so excited to share with you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,522 square feet, lovely property. Let's take a look. As you can see, when we walk in, we have a very open concept floor plan here with a lovely bay window in the living room area, a separate dining room and kitchen with stainless steel appliances and white cabinetry. The laundry room is off of the garage. It's a 1-car garage that is still set up as a garage. It has not been converted to a bedroom, unlike most of the homes in the area. There are a total of 3 bedrooms. The bedrooms are smaller, however, they are cozy and will be just right for the perfect family. Okay, let's step into the primary bedroom that is equipped with a ceiling fan, a nice sized closet as you can see, and a full bathroom. The outside is absolutely a gem. It's been very well maintained with lush grass, a large concrete patio, and a storage shed. Thank you for taking a tour of 581 Saddle Rock Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia with me. God bless you.